This is Larry Bonerato from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute, how serving while selling creates success. Recently, as my wife's SUV lease was expiring, we initiated a search for a suitable replacement. To give her some options, we reached out to 6 different dealerships. 1 never responded. 2 responded a week later after she'd already leased another SUV. 1 quoted us on a vehicle that was $400 over her budget, and another was extremely helpful but did not have a vehicle for her. Eventually, she leased a Honda Passport. That was 6 weeks ago, and there has been no further contact from the salesperson. Experience like this highlight why so many people have a negative view of salespeople. While there are many outstanding sales professionals, people's general distrust stems from behaviors that make them feel undervalued, manipulated, or ignored. For long-term success in selling, here are 4 key areas that, when properly utilized, will help you create loyal clients. First, be responsive. Buyers expect timely communication that both answers their questions and provides them with options. By responding quickly, you send a clear message that you respect them and that you want to serve them rather than just sell them. Your actions show that their time is important. Remember, lack of respectful engagement frustrates buyers, making them feel unimportant and making them disengage. Second, help them solve their problem. Your buyers either have a problem they need to solve or an opportunity that they want to take advantage of. By identifying their motivations and providing them with more than one option, they will perceive you as a professional who genuinely wants to serve them. High-pressure tactics and/or ignoring what they are trying to accomplish make buyers feel manipulated rather than valued. Third, know the features and benefits of your products. After identifying your buyer's problem, it's time to share solutions. Explain the features of what you're selling and how those features address their needs. When a buyer asks a question, answer it directly. If you don't know the answer, help them get the information they need. Vague or inaccurate responses reduce their confidence in you. Avoid performing a data dump, giving them all kinds of information that they're not interested in. Overselling features that are unimportant to your buyer may cause them to lose interest in you, your product, or both. Fourth, follow up and stay in touch after the sale. To create customers for life, follow up with regular contact by phone, text, and email. Be sure to quickly respond to their calls and questions. Buyers don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Staying in touch creates confidence in you as a professional and in you as a person. Sales isn't just about making a transaction. It is about building relationships. The more successful professionals create the trust that leads to repeat business, referrals, and long-term success. P.S. Of the 6 dealers I contacted about an SUV for my wife, the ones who never responded or delayed their responses were managers, not salespeople. Do you see a problem? How serving while selling creates success, and that is today's Morning Minute.